guys, so I'm here again. I am Lil Joe's wife. So what I'm cooking right now is leftover turkey. So if you don't want that your turkey will go to waste, you can recook it, and then it's called lechon. It's called um, turkey paksiw in the Philippines, or chicken paksiw, something like that. So what I'm going to do is I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil here, and then next is I will put um the onions. That is 1 gloves. Or like if you will chop it, that will turn to 1 cup of onions. Okay. Because I don't want to waste food, and when I start eating turkey this morning and it's dry, so I'm thinking of cooking it so that there's sauce. Okay. You can smell the onions now. So next to that is we will put the garlic. The garlic is just 4 or 3 cloves of garlic, and I cut it into pieces. There you go. When you think that the garlic and onions is good, then next to that is you can put the turkey. This is like I don't know if it's, I don't know if how, what is the, okay, but whatever turkey left there at your home, you can just, remove all the bones, and then you can cook it. So next to that is, then next to that is the 3 dried bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of whole peppercorn. Mix it. This is my solo video again because my husband is busy right now for his thesis today. So he's in the library now. And because I remember yesterday when he tried eating the turkey, he said it's dry. So I want to recook it. And I don't want that it will turn to waste because we bought this. So what I have here is the sauce, 1 cup sauce from the turkey when you cook it. So this is 1 cup sauce, and if you don't have any sauce, you can just buy a like lechon sauce. There's lechon sauce in the store, I think, I'm not sure, but any all-purpose sauce that you have there, it's fine. Okay, so mixed it. I'm sorry, I cannot really mix it well because I'm holding my phone again while cooking. I just want to show you guys how I cook it so that you will see. Smell good. So next is we can put the this is 1/2 cup of white vinegar. You can put that here, and don't stir it. Just wait until it is it will boil. And then if it will boil, then that's the time that we can mix it and put another ingredients. Okay, right back. So guys, I just want you to know that you don't need to cover it while you are waiting for it to boil. So just wait until it will boil, and then if it will start boiling, then we can add sugar and other, or salt to taste, or any other seasoning that you want to put it there to make the this better. But what I have here, we are always, instead of salt, I will use this spicy, and then I will put this as well, crushed red pepper. Okay, so now it started boiling, so we will wait until it will really boil, and we can add what I have here is, this is 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, start boiling now, you can see. So don't stir it after you put the white vinegar, just wait until it will boil, okay, and don't cover it as well. Alright, so now it's boiling already, so I can put now the 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and then mix it. Smell good. So now we can cover it, or we can just put salt. It's up to you guys if you want salt or any seasoning, but let me taste it for now so that I will know if what. It's sweet. So it's sweet, and so this taste will be really tasty. Okay, it's sweet but not really sweet. So I did not measure the Cajun seasoning, but you can put like 1 teaspoon Cajun seasoning. Oh, it's hot. Sorry guys, I just love spicy food. And for your when you cook this, you can you can put the heat to medium. Taste it. So now you can add salt or any whatever seasoning that you want, okay? But for now, we will just cover it for like a minute, and then we can put salt, okay? Alright guys, so after you put salt to taste, I already put salt, like just like 1 tablespoon of salt to taste, and I did not show you because I put my phone and mix it well. So you just need to mix it well after you put salt, and then cover it. So after you cover it, you will just simmer it for like 3 minutes, and it's done. So this is like this is 3 minutes already. So now this is done. So it is just similar to adobo, to the pork adobo that I made, and I took video on it, if you guys saw that already. So you can see that it just looks the same, but this taste, is different because I put sugar on it, but it's really delicious. And there's spicy in it because I put more of this. And this, all are spicy. So there guys, let me know your thoughts, and if you don't want that your turkey will turn to waste, I mean, so here's what you can cook it guys. It's Filipino food or Filipino dish, something like that. I hope my husband will like, and whoever who will like say something bad about me, I saw a comment there. I'm taking video not for you to judge me guys, but for you to know how I will cook the Filipino food. But if you don't like it, just don't leave any comment, because I'm not doing anything, I'm not doing something bad to you or whoever you are. Just hashtag respect. Alright, there you go guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye Papa Joe. It's for you as well.